Hello everybody! Hello grade 5! How are you today? Okay, so today we're going to talk about environment. Last day, our lesson in science is about environment, right? Okay, so we talked a lot about environment last time. So today we're going to continue that lesson about environment and how to protect, okay, how to protect our environment, because our environment is very important, okay, it is so important. Okay, so the environment pictures dictionary. So before we go to our lesson how to protect our environment, we're going to learn some words, okay, vocabulary words about or anything about environment. Okay, we have here recycling. Recycling. Okay, you can see here 4 bins that has name that where we can put our garbage. So like paper, glass, plastic, and metal. So this garbage is recyclable, meaning we can use again. Okay, can use again. Recycling. Waste prevention. Waste prevention. Okay, so this one are waste. Waste or garbage. Next word, conservation. Conservation. Garbage. Garbage. Hazardous waste. Hazardous waste. Food waste. Food waste. Yard debris. Yard debris. Biodegradable. Biodegradable. Okay, you can see on the picture, these are example of biodegradable. Okay, next. Environmental restoration. Environmental restoration. Okay, as you see on the picture, the girl is restoring some plant. She's planting. Preservation. Preservation. Okay, the turtle. You can see the turtle was preserved. Protection. Protection. Natural resources. Okay, so these are words. When we say environment, these are the words that we encounter every time we talk about environment. Natural resources like ocean, forest, wind, what else? Mountains. Okay, natural resources. Sustainable. Sustainable. So as we are living in this earth, our environment should be protected, right? So that everything in this planet can sustain, especially living things. Okay, like us, human, we're living things. In order for us to sustain, we need to protect and conserve and preserve. Okay, renewable. Everybody say renewable. Okay, next. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Habitat. Habitat. Habitat is where living and non-living things live together, or the living things, where the living things live. Example, the fish on the pond. Okay, so the pond is their habitat, like the monkeys living in the forest. Forest is their habitat, right? Or the monkey living in the jungle. Okay, pollution. Next word, pollution. So this is not good, pollution. It's not good for the planet Earth. It's not good for human. It's not good for animals. Okay, it's not good for the plants. Pollution is not good for all the living things. Climate change. Climate change. Okay. So you see, this one is very hot and this side is very cold. So climate change. We cannot, because of the changes of our activities, a lot of things also change, like climate change. Glacier melting. Glacier melting. Sea level. Sea level. Desertification. Desertification. So you see on the picture, it's so dry. The soil is so dry. Looks like a desert already. No water, drought. Okay, that's a problem. Ocean. Ocean is one of the natural resources that ocean also is a habitat of a lot of fish species. Forest. Forest. Rainforest. Rainforest. Ozone layer. Ozone layer is the one who protects us from direct UV rays of the sun. Okay? Ozone layer is very important, but this time, ozone layer is now gradually damaging, or, or now it's not good in already. It's damaged already because of the activities of people. Global warming. Okay, look at the picture. You see the earth is on fire. What does it mean? Meaning it's very hot. The earth is very hot. Okay? Global warming. That is why the glaciers are melting in North Pole and South Pole because of global warming. Acid rain. Acid rain. So the rain is acidic. Acidic can damage things, especially if you forgot to keep your things and then it rains, your things may damage, like your bicycle, your car, if you don't use your car, and then what else? Motorcycle. Okay. Next, the word is ecosystem. Ecosystem is where living things and non-living things interact together in one place. Okay, there's a lot of types of ecosystem. Afforestation. Afforestation. This one is good. Okay, they're taking care of a lot of species of trees so they can plant it again on the forest. Wildlife. Wildlife. Disposable. So disposable, those things are just use once, twice, and then dispose. Okay, it can increase the waste. Increase the waste of our environment. It's not good. Next, ecologist. Ecologist. It's the person who is ecologist. Okay. So ecologist is the person who study about ecology. Okay. Next, deforestation. So this is bad. Deforestation. Cutting trees. Okay, cutting trees. Eco-friendly. Eco-friendly. Okay, as you notice, a lot of supermarkets like Lotus, Big C, 7-Eleven, they they don't give plastic bags anymore, right? If you want, you can buy their eco bags. If you want to put your stuff or things on bag, you need to buy their eco bag. They don't give plastic bags anymore. So it's eco-friendly. Need to buy their eco bag. Contamination. Contamination. Okay, so these are dangerous chemicals. So these are dangerous chemicals and need to put somewhere that is not that people cannot go easily because it's contamination. It's contaminated. It's dangerous for the health. Okay, it's dangerous for the health of all living things. Endangered species. When you say endangered species, these are the living things that is endangered. Okay, endangered. When you say endangered, mm, their counts are decreasing. Okay, so we need to conserve or we need to take care of them. Okay, so for the future generation, we still have this kind of species. Endangered species. Garbage disposal. Garbage disposal. So for us, as human, in order for us to protect our environment, we need to be responsible also for our garbage. We need to dispose it properly, right? We need to dispose our garbage properly. Green power. Wow, it's good for the eyes when we can see color green. It looks fresh, right? Green power. Renewable resources. Renewable resources. Okay, so if we use solar energy, it's renewable, right? This energy is coming from the sun, so it's renewable. Hydropower energy. When we say hydropower, the energy is coming from the water. Okay, the water. Hydro means water. Hydropower. Geothermal energy. And then I cannot see the other one. It was covered. Okay, next. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels. Oil spill. This one, oil spill is not good. As you see on the picture, the bird looks so pretty. Okay, oil spill is not good for the animals. Okay, solar power. Solar power. We get the energy from the sun. Solar. Wind turbines or windmill. So the energy is coming from the wind. Coming from the wind. Clean energy. Okay, so this one is solar and this one is windmill. Next one, chemicals. Chemicals. So we use these chemicals in our house to clean our house, right? To clean our toilet, our bathroom. So these are chemicals. It's not good for the health and it's not good for the environment, but we use this one to clean our houses. So we use these chemicals. Nuclear radiation, radioactive, smog. Okay, smog. You see on the picture, smog is like smoke, combination of smoke and fog. Smoke and fog equals smog. It's like air pollution. So you cannot see the place clearly because of this one, smog. Carbon footprints. Carbon footprints. And this one, fumes. Fumes. It's like air pollution. Pollution from the vehicles like car, truck, bicycles, bus. Next, erosion. Erosion. Soil erosion. My dear, it's not good. Pesticides. Pesticides. What is pesticides? So these are chemicals used by some people to kill insects, right? They use this one when they are farming, so insects cannot damage their farm, cannot damage their vegetables, fruits. So they use pesticides, which is not good because it is a chemical. Flood, flood, extension. Okay, so these are some of the problems planet Earth is facing today. Oh, so we're living in a planet Earth. We all know these problems. So let's see. Climate change. Global warming. Hmm, it's so sad. Global warming. You see, the Earth is on fire. What does it mean? The planet Earth is hot. Ozone layer destruction. So the ozone layer destruction. You see, you see this purple color? This one should protect us from UV rays. And because of our activities, bad activities, the ozone layer is now so thin. That's why the UV rays can go through. And it's so hot and it damages our skin. Okay? Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. It's like global warming also. Greenhouse effect. Deforestation. When you say deforestation, cutting trees. Okay, cutting trees. This is not good. Some of places they do deforestation because they want mining. They want to mine the place. So they need to cut the trees, which is not good. Oh, endangered species. So look at these animals. They are the endangered species. We need to protect, we need to preserve them in order for them to have more have long life and can have more babies. So the next generation can see these types of species. Oh, so beautiful. Look at the bear, the polar bear. Melting caps. So North Pole and South Pole are melting. The glaciers of North Pole and South Pole are melting because of a high temperature. So it's because of global warming. Look at that. The ice in the North Pole, South Poles is or that are melting. Factory emission. So that's factory emission. So much air pollution, right? From factories. These are not good. Pollution. Okay, example like this one also from the car. Okay, from the car, it's air pollution. Exhaust fumes. This one also, we called it water pollution. Water pollution. How about this one? What type of pollution is this? That everything, or not everything, around you are so noisy. So noisy. It's called noise pollution. Especially when we are living in the city, we can hear a lot of noise from cars, from sounds, from constructions. Okay, if you live in the city, you expect noise. Toxic waste. Toxic waste. So these are not good, especially for our health. Oil spill. Oil spill. Okay. Acid rain. Acid rain. It looks very bad. Droughts. Droughts. So dry, right? So dry. No rain. So if the people are living in this place, they experience drought, it's very bad for them because they cannot plant vegetables, they cannot plant fruits to eat. So it's very hard for them. Drought. This one, floods. And this one, landslide. Hurricane. Is it hurricane or tornado? It's tornado. Now, it's up to us how to protect our planet Earth, right? It's up to us how are we going to protect our planet Earth. We need to protect that. We need to protect our Earth because this planet is where we live, right? So we need to take care of it, take care and love it. Okay, and that's it for today's lesson about environment. Hope you like it. Hope you learn from it. Goodbye, everyone.